Meet the squeaky wonder. Ever heard of a frog that's more like a squeaking toy than an amphibian? Okay, so out in the arid deserts, there's the desert rain frog, a tiny creature with an unexpectedly big voice box. Its high-pitched, adorable squeals aren't just for show. They're crucial distress signals, keeping predators and competitors at bay. Now picture this. They survive the harsh, water-scarce desert by absorbing life-giving moisture directly through their skin from morning fogs. It's nature's own miracle in a pint-sized package. You're left pondering, who knew such tiny frogs could conquer the colossal desert with just a squeak and a sip of fog?